So I just got this plant head, so let's unbox it. It's made out of resin. This is the size of it. It's almost the size of my palm, so it's very cute. This is what the features look like. I'm gonna put some soil in it and then we'll start planting. And I'm just gonna put my plants in it. So this, I'm doing a decorative greenery plant. I have some mint growing in there just to give it some accents and stuff. And I absolutely love it because the mint will give it a nice scent to it. So one thing I love about this is that it also has drain holes, if you look down there, so that when you water your plant, the water drips through. So cute. It's just a wonderful, nice gift idea for children and even for adults, for parents, grandparents, birthday gift, and so on. And I especially like that the plant makes it look as if it's alive, and you can do so many things. Like you can put glasses on it, you can put scarves, you can do so many things to even make the pot look even much more cuter. So I absolutely love this. You can plant this indoor and you can also use it outdoor.